Hello and welcome to my channel, fellow learners. Today, we're delving into Class 9 English, Unit 3, Family, Market and Public Places, Reading 2, Dance. Exercise Grammar Solution. If you find value in our discussions and solutions, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming lessons and helpful content. A. Find words from the story which are similar in meaning to the words given below. Answer. A. Man, chap, fellow, lad, character. B. Came, arrived, walked up. C. Clothes, dress, jacket and trouser. B. Choose the correct answer from the alternatives given and complete the sentences. A. The storyteller is probably. Answer. 1. A comedian. B. When he arrived at the disco, he first. Answer. 3. Saw a beautiful girl. C. Now his age may be about. Answer. 3. 40 years. D. The lovely girl. Answer. 3. Danced at last. E. The story can be best described as. Answer. 1. Humorous. C. Recall the time that you first danced. Share your experience with your friends. I remember when I first danced. It was at my cousin's wedding. The music was lively, and everyone was having fun. I felt a bit nervous at first, but then I joined in with the others and started moving to the beat. It felt exhilarating to let go and just dance without worrying about anything else. After that, I danced whenever I got the chance because it made me feel happy and free. Grammar 2. A. Match the sentence halves to make full sentences. Answer. A. I'd. B. Would it be possible to invite my cousin? C. Would you be able to get me a ticket for the concert? D. Could you recommend a good dentist? E. Can I book a table for 6? F. Would you like me to call a taxi? B. Complete the sentences below in any way you like to make requests or offers. A. Would you like me to help you with your homework? B. Can I get you a cup of coffee? C. Could you please pass me the salt? D. Would it be possible to borrow your car for the weekend? E. Would you mind closing the window? F. Could you possibly lend me some money? G. Would you like to join me for dinner? Writing 2. In Nepali culture, there are many occasions people dance. The Gurung community has Rodi Gars, the Rai community celebrates Dhan Naach, etc. Write a couple of paragraphs about any one of the dancing cultures or traditions in your community. Answer. Dhan Naach. In Nepal, there is a special dance called the Lakhey dance. It is a very important part of Nepali culture, especially for the newer community. People dress up in big, colorful costumes and wear masks that look like demons. These masks are made from paper and have hair made from yak tails. The Lakhey dance is known for its fast and wild moves, and the music is loud and exciting. The dance is usually done during big festivals, like Indra Jatra. This is a time when people celebrate and have fun together. The Lakhey dance tells a story about a demon who becomes a protector of the city. The dancer moves through the streets and stops at different places to dance and entertain everyone. There is also a small boy character who teases the Lakhey, making the dance even more fun to watch as the lackey chases him but never catches him. It's a dance that brings joy and is a big part of the festivals in Nepal. Next answer. Dhan Naach. In Nepal, there is a special dance called Dhan Naach. It is a dance from the Limbu people, who live in the eastern part of Nepal. The dance is also known as Yalang. Dhan Naach is not just a dance, it's a way to tell stories and celebrate. People dance to the beat of a folk song called Palam. This song and dance are very old and are a big part of Limbu culture. The dance is done during happy times like weddings and big festivals as well as in sad times. During Dhan Naach, people hold hands and dance in lines or circles. They wear bright and colorful clothes and dance for many days and nights. But now, not many young people do this dance. So, some groups are trying to help people remember how important Dhan Naach is. They want to make sure this beautiful dance is not forgotten. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more. I will be right back.